Good morning, everyone. My topic for the day is progress report, form, and content. Introduction. The progress reports give regular updates about the progression of a particular ongoing project. It states the expected set deadlines and then describes the work done till date of writing the report. In case of delay, it specifies the reason for it and support that can be provided to finish the work. For instance, in the case of a construction project, a progress report can help in keeping the track of the progress. Progress report format can vary as per the project undertaken. It can be very formal in the case of a report on the progress of the building, or it can be informal in case of students' thesis work progress. And if the report is through email to the supervisor. In some situations, it has a pro forma to be filled out. Goal. Progress reports are written to provide information about the way a project is developing, to explain any difficulties faced and request for solution or assistance. It establishes a work schedule so it helps in track progress and allows the project members to keep check of the tasks. Need to reach the audience, which include instructors, supervisors, associates, and customers. Format. Create a template for your first progress report for the entire project. Use that template for each consecutive report after the first. Incorporate headings and subheadings to organize the report and maintain the same headings for the duration of the project. You may divide the headings under project information, costs, work completed, and work schedule. Not only will this organization make reading the report easier for your audience, but it will also help you on track while writing the report. Content. The progress report has a subject line, an introduction, a body, a conclusion, and possible recommendations. Subject line. Be specific. For example, progress report for XXX July 14, 2011. Include the subject line in all forms of communication like email, memo, or letter. Even if you're merely sending an email or message for the purpose of asking a question or making a comment, use the subject line with the project name. Introduction. The introduction includes the following: the title of the project, the date, the names, title, and contact information of the participants. The project status summary, general information about the schedule, cost, and expected completion date. Reveal if you are on schedule or behind. If this is the first progress report of the project, you will identify the project, method used, material, cost, and completion date. After the first progress report, your introduction will contain only a transitional introduction that briefly refers to the first report. The body includes the following: a description of the status of the project in detail, the cost to date as far as materials, labor, etc., an estimate of the remaining cost of material, labor, etc. A work completed section does the following: details what you have done up to that point, details what you have left, work schedule that details what you will do in between certain dates. Complications you may foresee include tables, graph, drawings, or charts to assist your audience members' understanding of the information and in presenting the organization of schedules. Conclusion. The conclusion includes the following: a summary of the predicted schedule, an explanation of future steps, the reason for any delay, a predicted completion date. Recommendations include the following: recommended action related to the schedule, the request for the next group of resource or workers, an estimated delivery date for the necessary machinery, tools, materials, etc. Samples. This is a sample of the progress report, and this is a sample for the format of a progress report. These are the references for my presentation. Thank you.